Welcome to the Kronos Smartsheet Learning Series. Today, we're going to learn how to add branding to your workspace. Let's check it out. Step 1. Within your Smartsheet dashboard, navigate to the workspace that you would like to add branding to. Step 2. Right-click on the workspace to open the context menu. Then, select Workspace Colors and Logo. A Color Settings and Logo prompt will appear on your screen. Within the prompt, you will have the ability to choose preset color options, adjust the background and taskbar colors, and add a logo. Step 3. Within the prompt, adjust the options to your preferences and click Save. Once you've clicked Save, you'll notice that the workspace branding has been updated to your preferences. Thanks for watching this edition of the Kronos Smartsheet Learning Series. To learn more, check us out at www.kronoscg.com or find us on social media.